Dongtai BIP tester for injector response time testing. The Dongtai BIP tester can be used for all Bosch, Denso, Durfee, Siemens, and other brands injectors of common rail UIUP HUI system. The BIP tester can be installed on any test bench to testing the injector response time. The accessories for Dongtai BIP tester: the power cable and power supply, the signal cable, the cables for injectors, the ground one, the connectors for injectors, the accessories for the connectors, cable connection. Signal cable connection. Injector and collector for injectors connection. The ground one connection. Testing process of injector response time.